Okay, well, what's in focus today?
Well, I thought we'd look basically at the dollar index. We talked about dollar weakness being the focus of the last week, but dollar index actually is sold off sharply since the highs were posted on this measure back in March 15. We traded up to 99.186 then. Fed caution on US rate rises has probably possibly been helping to drive this move lower in dollar index over the last few weeks. Bear in mind now that the FOMC, the Federal Open Markets Committee, is just 2 more meetings in 2015. They meet in October and they meet again in December, but not in November. And it seems to me, just looking at this relatively simplistic candlestick chart of dollar index, a retest of the 200-day EMA line, which is this red line here, looks quite likely. It comes in at 94.46. We closed marginally above there on Friday, but the trend would still seem to be down. It's a channel at the top, and indeed we've sold off over the last couple of sessions. We may also, if we do test back through 94.46, test to 93.85 and then down to 92.47, 92.47 being the low seen on the 22nd of January 2015. So we could, in theory, be about to sort of take out most of the gains in dollar index for 2015 if we follow that trajectory, which obviously flies in the face of the idea that we've had a strong dollar through 2015. So that, if we do start to test into that level, maybe it'll be time to start thinking about a contrarian attitude towards emerging markets and some of the markets that have been hampered by that stronger dollar.
But don't you think the penny literally has dropped in terms of people realising that the data isn't right and the Fed doesn't really want to raise rates anyway?
I think people are coming around to that opinion. Yes.
Hence gold and mining stocks and other things like that. So there's a little bit of that.
Absolutely. Yeah.
But it's fine. You just took that last non-farm payroll number really just to shake people out of their
so they're sort of
slumber.
Exactly. Yeah. They've woken up and they've now realised that everything in the garden is far from rosy. So yeah.